again.
Hello! We're back!
We have another break. We're going to the bathroom.
Yep, we had kind of stuffed our face full of food real quick and then got over to the display boards where they show you photos of paper and cards and embellishments and all that kind of fun stuff. And oh my gosh, I do have to say, there is this suite, it's the Peacock suite, and the gems are so sparkly.
They're so sparkly.
So beautiful. It's like a navy and I don't know, red and blue. Oh, it's so gorgeous. Seriously, it's so pretty. I cannot wait to get my hands on that. There's a sailing suite, and that is really cool.
With lighthouse and this beautiful embossing folder that kind of looks like water.
Oh my gosh, it's crazy all the cool stuff that they have. They don't have brush shows anymore, but they have a different type of powder. I forgot the name of it.
It's a pigment.
It's a pigment
color.
powder, and it's more brighter and brighter and deeper. Or how do you want to say that?
I think they're more colorful.
More colorful. Anyway. So yeah, we're pretty excited about that. We're hoping to have some pictures posted a little bit here. It's been crazy. I can't believe it's almost half the day is gone already.
I know. We just had lunch.
Yeah, just had lunch, and we're gonna have a little hands-on stamping. And
it's not.
Sorry,
now we're going that way.
Yeah. Oh, the phone's doing its own thing again. Oh, for heaven's sakes. So anyway, yeah, we just wanted to hop on really quick, say hi to you guys, and we are going to post some stuff here. It's just been a lot of learning and a lot of talking.
A lot of changes.
Yeah, there's a lot of changes, but it's all good. It's all good. We're excited. Excited. And yeah, I've been doing all the talking.
Yeah, she talks a lot.
I do.
No surprise.
Okay. I look really tired.
Yeah, that's what they want to see.
Yeah. So anyway,
we will be posting some pictures here soon. I've been taking some videos, and hopefully I'm planning to make a video of like our entire experience.
Yep. So hopefully, I don't know how long it takes because I don't do any of that. So soon she will be posting some of that soon. So continue to watch, and we got more prize patrols. More
I got my
stuff.
stamp set. If you go to our Instagram and you look at our story on there, so Instagram Stampin BAE, Stampin Bay, I got my stamp set and I love it.
Kayla and Vicky won they got the same prize button. I got prize number 3.
I got 6.
She got 6, and it is so cute. I love it. I was like, oh, I'm so happy she got it. You know, because it's kind of nice because we got 2 different numbers, so we get 2 different sets.
Yeah, lucky.
High five. High five. Anyway, go over to Instagram, check that out, see the cute little stamp set that you got, and yeah, we'll check back on after a bit.
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. Bye.